In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira with Power BI. If you've ever tried to build sprint reports, track epic progress, or create cross-project dashboards by manually exporting Jira data into spreadsheets, you already know how time-consuming and messy that can get. The good news is that in 2026, connecting Jira to Microsoft Power BI is much more streamlined, and you can do it without relying on complicated manual workflows. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira cloud site. Once you're on the main Jira homepage, go to the top navigation bar, click Apps, and then choose Find New Apps. This takes you into the Atlassian Marketplace area, where you can install tools that extend Jira's functionality. In the Marketplace search bar, type Power BI Jira Connector and run the search. Look for a trusted, well-reviewed connector, ideally one that is verified or officially supported. When you find the right app, open it and click Get App or Install to begin the setup. This will add the connector to your Jira environment and prepare it for use. After the app is installed, go back to the Apps menu and open the new Power BI connector. Inside the connector panel, choose Create Data Source or Configure, depending on the version you see. Give the data source a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. Then select the projects or filters you want to include. If needed, you can also enter a Jira query language filter to narrow down the exact data you want to send to Power BI. Once everything looks right, click Save. Jira will then generate a secure data source URL. Copy that URL because you'll need it in the next step. Now switch over to Power BI Desktop and open the application. On the top ribbon, click Get Data, then choose Web. In some versions, you may also see a Jira-specific connector, and if that's available, you can use it instead. In the URL field, paste the data source link you copied from Jira, then click OK. Next, Power BI will ask you to authenticate. Choose either basic or organizational account, depending on what your setup requires. Sign in using your approved work account and secure access credentials, then click Connect. Power BI will begin establishing the connection and reading the available Jira data. Once the preview appears, take a moment to review the fields. Make sure items like issue keys, sprint names, assignees, and story point values are showing correctly. This quick check helps you catch mapping issues before importing everything. If the data looks correct, click Load. Power BI will import the dataset and make it available in your model so you can start building reports and